Hello guys, hello everyone, it's me Pensky the Unstoppable, and of course, August 18, yan. So, kinabukasan ng birthday ko. So, nung birthday ko kasi August 17, may trabaho ako. So, August 18, ayan, nag-celebration kami ni Mrs. Sabay ng wedding anniversary namin. So, siyempre, sa church muna with my family. And ayan, siyempre, thanks God tayo sa lahat ng blessings, sa lahat ng binibigay. At siyempre, for being healthy. Lagi, especially sa family ko at siyempre sa akin dahil sa trabaho ko. At ayan, hanap kami ng venue para kumain pagkatapos sa church. And ayan, at siyempre mas happy ako lalo na't kasama ko ang family ko. Sabi nga nila, every day is happy with my family. So one of the important one. So heto tayo guys at samahan nyo kami, naghahanap kami ng makakainan. Let's go! At heto na nga guys, nakahanap kami at nagustuhan ni Mrs. So let's go! Let's eat.
I want to eat.
That one.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday. Then I always celebrate because it's a special
Mama.
So,
Hepo Restaurant, yan. So, isa sa mga sikat na restaurant, noodle house sa originally from China guys. So they have 88 brands at yan yung nag-iisang brands nila sa Hong Kong, kaya pala as in number 1 sa sarap and ang laki ng servings guys. So nag-enjoy kami ni Mrs. kaya sunod-sunod yung order at naparami. Actually nagdalawang order ako, dalawang order si Mrs. at yung mga bata ganun din. So naghahati-hati na lang sa sobrang dami. So enjoy lang guys. At sabi nga, kain lang ng kain, basta busog at mamaya maglalakad-lakad pa kami. So enjoy and celebrate our special day. Yun, nagbabayad na si Mrs. at syempre prepare na kami para umalis at matagtag naman. Ayan, so lakad muna tayo guys, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Malling time naman tayo guys. So ayan, ako yung sumama kay Star kasi gusto daw niyang tumingin ng dress. At si Mrs. naman ang sumama kay Sky para tumingin ng damit. So let's go guys, samahan natin. Let's go!
I want this.
Yeah, that one is the pink
I
color.
need this.
Yes, it's... What do you want? You can choose. Come on, take it. Take one. Take that one. You like that one? Okay, get one. Good one. That one? Okay, good job. Good. You like that one?
Yep.
You like it? Okay, tell me.
So, same height like me.
Yeah.
But I couldn't find one.
What? We can find. Tell to mama. Tell to mama. Find a good one for you, right? You like it? Come on, start. Go, find it. Find it. Check it. Get that one. The big one. The size.
Can you just take the other side? Do you want this?
The ones you like, mama.
What you want?
Napagod din ako guys sa mga bata na to at ayan, ikot kami ng ikot at syempre guide lang ako. So samahan lang natin. Let's go. What do you want to say?
Thank you for giving me all the clothes. I want this.
Wow, good job. And other sky. Yun naman guys ang nakaka-inspire lalo magtrabaho at
Mama,
masabihan ka ng
Thank you, Papa.
daughter mo ng
very sweet.
words. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam syempre, di ba? Ayun na nga guys, at nabili na yung mga gusto nila at syempre ako'y tiga bit-bit lang. At ayan, chill lang. So lakad lang tayo guys and enjoy the day. Let's go! And heto na nga guys, uwian time na. So thanks God sa lahat ng blessing. And see you again next time guys. Keep safe and God bless and be unstoppable.